Hello everyone, greetings. I hope you all are doing great. Welcome back to my videos. Today, I, Arishmita Chatterjee, will be talking about mental burnouts. Whether we accept this or not, we all are running a rat race at this current situation. And because of that, we often face burnouts. When we have burnouts, then our effectiveness definitely reduces when it comes to our work. So today I'll tell you how you can avoid your burnouts very easily. You basically have to take few kinds of rest. To start with, take physical rest. Physical rest would involve you to maybe just lie down and sleep. It might also involve taking some light exercises, maybe a walk in the garden or whatever gives you nourishment to your entire body. Secondly, you need to have mental rest as well. We by nature nowadays have become overthinkers. We are constantly thinking something or the other. Just shut your thinking process and just listen to music or maybe journal. Journaling can really help you out in many situations. Thirdly, you need to take social breaks. Social breaks would involve you to go out with your friends, meet you with your friends or family, and sometimes it can also be a solo date that will definitely give you the right amount of nourishment. Number 4 is sensory breaks. The mistake that we make is when we want to take rest, we often sit with our phone and start scrolling the screen. But that does not give rest to our brain, and giving rest to our brain is really important. So sensory break would suggest that just switch off all the gadgets that you have and relax. Fifthly, we have emotional break. Emotional break would want you to just sit down, calm yourself and find out your emotional awareness. That is definitely going to make you more self-aware. You can understand and connect with your emotion, and also this will help you to work on your emotional intelligence. Next, we have spiritual health. Spiritual break will definitely help you to rejuvenate. Just get into some spiritual work, meditate, or even you can also get into some sort of activities that will give you fun and also nourish your mind. And lastly, we have creative breaks. We all know that in our world, we all are creatively active. Either we understand that or we try to find it out, and sometimes we just ignore it completely. We all are creative human beings. So I would suggest to find out one creative activity that will definitely recharge you whenever it is needed. Take that break and see how you can easily rejuvenate yourself. I will be coming with more such videos every Monday, Wednesday and Friday, and I hope you'll be waiting for that. Till then, be happy and keep learning. Thank you.